Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile in this 2015 Volvo V70. So from any screen, it's on nav at the moment. We go to, well, if you go to menu, there you go, that's just bringing up the nav at the moment. So onto telephone, no phone connected, okay to connect. Doesn't really tell you a whole lot there. And there's no other little bits in the corner to click. So what you do, no phone connected, click OK. Now search for new phone, make car discoverable, all the phones are actually connected. So I want to disconnect mine, so I'll go to Barry's iPhone, click on OK. Now it brings up this other menu, connect for phone, delete device. So just turn this switch, delete device, click OK. Do you want to delete Barry's iPhone Pro? OK to delete, exit to cancel. That's exit at the bottom of the switch, two position switch, OK, and it's gone. That's it. We make sure that Bluetooth is on. That's it, Bluetooth on, green light at the top, and then we're watching at the bottom. We go to phone, so telephone there, no phone connected, OK to connect. Now, at first I thought you had to turn the rotary control to get to OK to connect, but you don't. Quite self-explanatory really. You just click OK there, so OK. Search new phone. You can go, if you just click on search new phone, it'll start searching, or you can go to make discoverable, but we'll do search new phone. So click on there. It's now looking for my phone. Found the phone, so turn the rotary control till we get down to it, click OK, and then connect for phone. So click OK again. It'll now come up with a number there, do the numbers match, so pair, OK to confirm, OK, allow contacts and favourites to sync, allow. It's searching for the phone. That's it, connected there. My phone's connected there, my V70 connected. That's it. That's how you pair a mobile. I'm just going to show you how to play music from your mobile through the Bluetooth audio system. And it can be quite strange sometimes. Sometimes it's straightforward, sometimes it's not. So, if I go to music here, you see at the bottom there, the silver triangle and the three silver circles. Volvo's not showing up on here, so it's not going to play. It's not going to play through this system. If I click media, it says connecting John's phone. John's not here. John's phone's not here. So this is what you need to do. Click onto OK. It says search for new device, but then it shows mine there, Barry's iPhone 13 Pro. That's the one I want to be playing music from. Now, again, keep an eye on here. So if I turn that down to Barry's iPhone 13 Pro, click OK, connect for media. The new menu has come up. There you go.
It was all good shipmate spirit again.
Just going to turn that down because that's an audio book. I'm going to click play on America. That's the volume's turned up on here. There you go. That's how you set it up to play music. Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this 2015 Volvo V70. So from any screen, it's on audio at the moment. In fact, I'm going to knock it off. No, I'm not. So we'll go to nav, click nav. Nothing's happening there. It doesn't tell me anything. Click nav again. Then we've got a screen. Set address. Want to set address? Click OK. There we go. Highlight city. Click city. And I'm going to put in a postcode. You see at the bottom there. So there we go. Just turn this. It goes off the letters onto that menu at the side and onto postcode. Click OK. So that changes it, makes it easier. It is overcomplicated, this, it really is. So then we turn to the wheel here, and we're Grosvenor Garage, Blackburn Road, Higher Walton, Preston. Defaulted to numbers, so we'll click numbers, click OK for numbers, and then we want 5, 4. It's gone back up here to ABC, click OK, and then what are we? EA. That's it. So it shows you what you've just typed in there. Click OK. Set single destination. Click OK. You've now got three routes. It's showing you the first one's 28 miles, the second one's 33 mile. That's showing motorways. I'll click OK for route 1. Click OK.
Please follow the road for 3/4 of a mile.
That's it. That's how you set the sat nav. Again, a little bit more complicated than you would think, but that's how you do it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.